Hey YouTube, this is Carl here, back with another episode of Carl's Redneck Repairs. And here's another go with MasterCraft Monday. Another MasterCraft review for you guys. And I've got it sitting here on the workbench, and I'm going to show it to you guys. Let's go in and zoom in on the case here. We'll go down to the bench. And we'll zoom into the case. Alright. Here we go. Here's the review for today. This is, I don't even remember the count of this, but the price of this on sale was $42, I think, or something like that. 42 bucks. So I'll show you what's inside. What we got here is whole assortment of drill bits. Not every size, but the sizes are there. Comes with this little foam protector, I guess you would call it, and up on the top here it tells you all the sizes of what you got here. And we got 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 15/64, 9/32, 5/16, and 23/64. And then we got the big 1/2 inch. And we go 7. Oh no, the sun is sort of light. 1/16, 3/32, 9/64, 11/64, 7/32, 1/4, 19/64, 21/64, 3/8. Oh no, not 3/8. Yeah. No, this one's 3/8. Yeah, 3/8. This one's 3/64. So those are the sizes we got. They're decent bits. I'm not saying they're all sharp right off the hop, but for $42, let me get behind the camera to see if we can see here. They're not. It just does not want to focus. They're not that bad, but I don't really care if they're not the greatest. Where did I go? I don't really care if they're not the greatest, because I do have a jig for the bench grinder. I want to show you here quick. I do have a jig for the bench grinder to sharpen all my bits. So that's why I really don't care. For $42 for all those bits, it's not a bad deal. It does come in a pretty nice case. The case seems pretty decent, and the bits have been pretty good so far. The bigger ones aren't as sharp as the little ones are. That's what I've noticed so far. The little ones are pretty good, decent up to about these sizes here, and then this size is up are not as sharp, and these sizes up are not as sharp. But like I said, I've got that sharpener jig for the bench grinder. So would I recommend this drill bit set? Yes, I would. For the price and the amount you get, and the majority reason why I bought this for are about these 3 sizes and these 3 sizes, because these are the ones I always seem to break, and they come with quite a bit of them, so I can break as many as I want. I'm pretty sure everybody breaks these little guys all the time. They're not the easiest to drill with, especially since when you're drilling through metal. That's what I do most of my drilling in, is metal. So would I recommend this? Yes, I would. Is it a decent price? Yes, it is. For what you get is what you pay. So that is for another MasterCraft Monday. I know I missed a couple weeks there, but just didn't have any time. So next week, I'm going to try not to miss next week. I might make next week's video right now, actually, so I don't miss next week, and I have a second one ready. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe from Carl's Redneck Repairs. Take it easy.